Good evening and a very warm welcome. You're watching Times Now Live. I'm Pratibha. First up, let's begin with breaking updates now coming in. The External Affairs Ministry will brief the House on the situation in West Asia tomorrow. Important update coming in. The External Affairs Minister Dr. S. Jaishankar will be briefing the Lok Sabha on the unfolding situation in West Asia amid multiple questions that have been raised by the opposition as well on the impact that it will have on India. Tomorrow, a statement is going to be made by the External Affairs Minister, Dr. S. Jaishankar. Let me take this across to my colleague Pragya, who is getting us these details. So, Pragya, this is going to be very significant. The External Affairs Minister, we're told, will be briefing the House tomorrow.
Absolutely, Mr. Jaishankar is going to brief the House about situation in West Asia tomorrow. And in fact, this is one of the demands that has come from opposition parties. And in fact, Congress especially has been speaking about government stance and also said that India needs to call upon other countries and also to help bring the hostilities to an immediate end. There are many questions that even Congress and opposition parties are raising about Iran, especially Congress, Ms. Sonia Gandhi, Rahul Gandhi, everyone is speaking about it. But more so, why India has not become a party, and in fact, what India has done to ensure the safety and security of its citizens in the Gulf countries, which is now a war-torn area. War-torn area. In fact, the fact is that government will be giving a factual statement on the situation prevailing, the steps it has taken to ensure the safety of citizens and also Indian diaspora, and also government's stance to reach out to all these Gulf countries to ensure there is peace and stability in the region, which is in benefit of every country. So all of that will become a part of government statement in the House tomorrow on West Asia, which has been a demand from the opposition, especially from Congress.
Okay, all right. Thank you for joining us with those details, Pragya. So this is a statement that will be made tomorrow in the Lok Sabha. Dr. S. Jaishankar is going to be making this statement in the Lok Sabha tomorrow on the unfolding situation in West Asia.